This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the basics are set so your adjustments matter. During a live call, press the side volume buttons to raise the call-specific volume. This directly changes the earpiece output. Once done, open settings and confirm silent mode and do not disturb are off so audio isn't suppressed. Also enable sound check and pick a brighter EQ preset in music settings to normalize levels. This helps voices sound fuller without distortion. Next, you refine audio paths and processing to improve clarity. Turn on phone noise cancellation and accessibility so background noise is reduced and speech stands out. If the internal earpiece is loud enough, switch to high-quality wired or Bluetooth earbuds. This often yields bigger perceived volume. Then, go to Accessibility Audio/Visual and move the balance slider toward the louder side if one ear hears better. This ensures more sound reaches the stronger channel for improved intelligibility. Finish by eliminating software and hardware faults so your changes stick. Restart your iPhone and install any iOS updates. Software bugs can cap volume. Carefully clean the earpiece grill with a soft, dry brush to remove debris that muffles sound. Do not use liquids. Make sure to test calls with another SIM or handset. If volume remains low despite settings and cleaning, contact Apple support or visit a service provider for a hardware check. One tip: verify safe volume warnings aren't limiting output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.